This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the Bluetooth radio so Windows can see nearby devices. First, turn on the physical or keyboard Bluetooth switch on your laptop. This powers the adapter. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, then Devices and select Bluetooth and other devices. This is where pairing happens. Make sure airplane mode is disabled and the accessory is powered and in discoverable mode, because Windows can only list devices that actively advertise themselves. Now you add the accessory by clicking Add Bluetooth or other device and choosing Bluetooth, which tells Windows to scan. You'll see device names populate. Select the correct one, model names matter here, then follow any PIN or passkey prompts to authenticate. Windows often installs drivers automatically. Let that process complete. Once paired, check the device's status under Bluetooth and other devices to confirm it says connected. If it's audio gear, set it as the output in sound settings. Finish by testing the device to ensure full functionality. Play audio, send a file, or type to verify input. If the device fails to connect, first toggle Bluetooth off and restart your PC. That clears temporary issues. If problems persist, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and repair it, then update the adapter driver in Device Manager or run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter. This sequence addresses most driver, cache, and permission problems so you can get back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.